In this lab, we will see how we can create an Azure AI service in portal and how we can consume the same in our application. So first of all, let's create Azure AI service. So you need to go to Azure portal and in the search bar, search for Azure AI Services, and you will see you have got Azure AI Services multi-service account, and if you want to create a single service account, but let's go with a multi-service account and then hit create. You need to fill the details here. So here you need to give a resource group. Let's create a new resource group by name test AI service RG, and let's select the region East US and give the name of your service test AI service. Let's give something like January, and then select the pricing tier as standard. You need to acknowledge this checkbox and then click next. Leave as it is, leave all other information as it is, and it is running the final validation. Then hit create. So after waiting for 1 minute, now the deployment is complete and we can go to our AI service resource. So now this is our AI service resource, and if you go to keys and endpoint, so here you will see the endpoint on which you can consume your AI service, and then you have got two subscription keys with which you will get authentication. Uh, I mean, when you will be getting authenticated based on these keys. So let us start consuming this AI service in our application. So here I have got one .NET application wherein you see we are calling a method called getLanguage. So in this method, we are calling text analytics API of Azure AI service. So basically this is service is to detect your language. Here we are going to give the endpoint and the subscription key to be able to communicate with your AI service, and you will be sending the data input data to this function get language function, and this data will be passed in the form of JSON. So here you will have a JSON document where the data will be in the form of ID and text. So I'm not going to explain line by line this code. Let us see how we can make use of the Azure AI language analytic service, or you can say text analysis service. So let us copy the endpoint from here and paste it in your configuration file, and then copy key, paste this as well in your configuration file. Now let's run this application. And we need to enter some text which you want to like detect what language it is in. Let's give some text like this, bonjour. Okay, it says permission denied. So I think we have done some mistake while copying key or endpoint correctly. Let's paste the key again and try now. See, it has detected the language as French, right? So if you want to give some other text, let's say, let's try to detect English language, and let us give some text like universe, and then it has detected language as English. So you see here the response that we have got. It has given the ID, detected language, name of the language, ISO name, and the confidence score. So we'll discuss in detail about this confidence score in later part of the course. But now you understand that we are inputting the data in the form of JSON. If you see, this was our input data, and it is going in the form of JSON object, wherein you have two fields, ID and text. Okay. So this was about how you can consume your AI service. So it is going to be same for other AI services also. The way that you consume, that will take place using this endpoint and service key. So this was about creation and consumption of your AI service. Thank you.